This is Project Battleship Galactica. In this project, 2 users use Wi-Fi communication to control a manipulator and fire a laser at certain shipping ports. In our case, using a laser to hit a random 6 out of a possible 16 photoresistors. One user, the standby user, communicates what ports the master operator must aim the laser at via servo movement according to a separate LED matrix. This matrix has the same 6 out of 16 LEDs lit up, corresponding to which ports must be hit. The standby operator communicates via button presses to tell the master operator which photoresistors to hit. Next, the master operator, without having seen the laser at all, must read what the standby operator is saying and move the laser into position. This is done via 2 potentiometers, one controlling the row the laser moves to, and the other controlling the column. The master operator then, after inputting the correct directions to the potentiometers, activates a sensor to tell the laser to move and fire. A feedback system, either bar LEDs, RGB LEDs, or a motor, confirms that the information was sent. The laser is moved via a set of servos and fires at the correct photoresistor. The standby operator's 7-segment counter goes up, as well as a target's hit section of the master operator's LCD screen. This process is then repeated until all 6 targets are hit.
For this final position, we can see that the master operator needs to move to the 4th row and 3rd column. The MPU is then triggered and the motor is controlled by the motion of the MPU. 6th target is then hit and the game over screen is shown for the standby operator, while the master operator still gets to control the motor speed depending on the tilt of the MPU.
Next, we will show you the first 2 ports hit of a full run, along with the other 4 sensors being triggered afterwards.
On the top right corner we can see the standby operator, and on the big screen we can see the master operator. The position is now sent and the master operator is setting the potentiometers to the respective position. The 4 sensor is triggered, the LED bars are now turned on, the laser moves to the right position, the first target is then sensed. The new target position is sent to the master operator. The master operator is now turning the potentiometers to the respective target. The ultrasonic sensor triggers the RGB LED. This allows the standby operator to now move the laser to the correct position. For the remainder of this video, you can see the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th sensor being triggered and the laser moving into position.
Testing.